Pete the kitty goes to the doctor by Kimberly and James Dean.
Hello friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please take a second and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and keep reading.
Pete the kitty wakes up. It is time to go to school. Pete stretches his arms. He stretches his legs. Ouch! Pete's belly hurts. Pete calls his dad.
My belly does not feel groovy,
he says. Pete's dad feels his head.
You do not have a fever.
Dad says.
You just need some rest.
Dad tucks Pete back into his bed. Dad kisses Pete's head. Pete pulls up his covers. He thinks he will have a cool day at home. Pete starts to play with his trains. Then Pete starts to paint a picture.
It is time to get dressed.
Dad says.
It is time to go to the doctor.
Pete does not want to go to the doctor. Pete is scared of the doctor. Dad says.
The doctor is cool. She is not scary.
Dad takes Pete to the doctor's office. They wait their turn. The waiting room is fun. Pete gets to play with lots of far-out toys.
He's holding his teddy since he gets scared.
The nurse comes for Pete. She takes him to another room. The nurse checks for a fever. The doctor comes in. She checks Pete's ears. She checks Pete's eyes. The doctor feels Pete's belly. She listens to Pete's heart. The doctor even lets Pete listen to her heart. Don't worry, the doctor says. It is just a bellyache. The doctor gives Pete a cool sticker. She tells Pete to rest. Dad takes Pete home. Dad lets Pete rest in bed. Pete will feel better soon. Dad was right. The doctor was not scary. She was nice. Pete feels better. Soon he will be back to his groovy self again. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family. And we continue bringing you more and more videos. Remember, stay home, stay safe, and keep reading.